Happy Thursday, y'all. Here's today's agenda. So, as always, you've got Outlook question of the day stuff to work on. There are 2 videos to watch today. Make sure you are continuing to do those and providing good feedback and good answers on those. Question of the day is worth 10% of your quarter grade, so it's a difference in getting a C to a B, or B to an A, etc. And then SolidProfessor, assembly structure is what we're working on today. We only have a few more sections left in SolidProfessor, so we'll be pretty close to wrapped up by the end of next week. So again, work hard, finish strong going into spring break. This is day 4 of continuing our rocket project. If you need any help, watch the YouTube project videos. What is due by the end of this week, end of day tomorrow, is your parts, your assembly, and your drawings. Next week, we're going to start working on animating our model rockets, and that's what we'll wrap up with before spring break. I am out today. I'm at the CAD competition. I'm down in criminal justice with a handful of students between my class and Miss A's doing that. And then Friday, I will be at Butler Tech. So again, stay focused, get your work done. Don't let the fact I'm not here be a reason you slack off and you dig yourself a hole. Y'all can do well. I've got faith in y'all. So I will see y'all maybe in the hallways today on Thursday. If not, I will see you all next week, and you all have a great day. And you all, worst case scenario, you'll see me in the videos tomorrow.